folks. We're going to side dress our corn. We put the hilling attachment on the Hoss tool. This will be the first time we've tried it. We'll see how it does. We'll let you know. We had stuck them in the ground to keep the crows out. They actually did a pretty good job. Have to come back through and thin a little bit of this corn out. Ground's hard as a rock after all that rain. Well, for the first time, it did pretty good. It's a lot faster than coming through with a hoe. May have to go back through some of the little smaller ones, knock a little bit of the dirt off. We'll do the rest here in just a second.
Engineer, where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry me. Mister, can we leave this sea? I'll shovel coal, Lord, to pay my fare. Gotta get this train down to the station. My little girl waiting for me there. Well, the night is dark and Lord, it's cloudy. I've been traveling that lonesome road. My one true love waiting there to see me.